Hey guys, welcome to the video, and today we're going to be discussing list comprehensions. The way I like to think about these is in three stages. We have an action, a source, and a condition. So I'm going to be using these two lists here as our source, and we'll start off with a really basic example. Let's call this variable v1, and let's just say I for I in names. Now in this case here, this for I in names, this is our source. So we're basically saying for everything in here, do something, and the do something is our action that's at the front here. So in this case, if we just say I for I, there's no action, we're not doing anything with it, we're just saying include. So if I do print v1 here and hit run, we just get the same list back. However, if we apply an action, the action always goes right at the front. Let's say I.upper is our action. So now we're saying for I in names, so that's our source, so for everything in here, do this action, and the action in this case is uppercase. So we're basically saying uppercase everything for everything in this list here, this list of names. And there we go, like that. There is a third option. You can do a condition as well. So we could say do this for everything in here, but only if X, Y, Z. So we could then do if let's do len of I is greater than 5. So now we're saying uppercase something for everything in this list, but only if that item has a length greater than 5. When we run that, we get Matthew, Charlotte, and Daniel, because James and Alex do not have a length greater than 5. If we do the same thing, let's create, let's do v2, and let's say v2 is equal to I to the power of 2 for I in numbers. So this time the action at the start is square, the source is for everything in numbers. So square everything that happens to be in numbers. So we take this list and we go through and square everything. And let's print off v2. And there we go. You can see everything here has now been squared. Let's add a condition into there. So let's say square something for everything in numbers, but only if that number is not 6. There we go. So you can see the 36 was in this original one. Now it's gone from this second one here. So in a nutshell, that's a list comprehension. We're basically saying do some action for everything in some iterable, so some string, range, list, etc. And then you've also got the option of doing a condition as well. And of course with these there's infinite possibilities. If we wanted to remove the condition, we could. We're now just saying give me everything that's in numbers, but only if that number is not 6. We print v2 and we get the same list back here. Same for v1 as well. We could do no action at all and just do this. So now we're saying give me a name for all of the names, but only if that name has a length that is greater than 5. We print v1. There we are. Of course there's an awful lot more to list comprehensions, but that's the basics. If you can recall that we have an action, a source, and a condition, you're halfway there. So again, with this I recommend just playing around with it. Try loads of different actions, loads of different conditions, and have some fun with it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.